Did you know that nearly 80% of millionaires build their wealth from scratch, not from inheritance, not from luck, but from smart money habits? So, if you're in your 20s, you have something more powerful than the money itself: time. But most people waste it. So, if you want to be financially free in your 30s or 40s, stick around, because in this video I'm gonna show you exactly how to build wealth in your 20s, step by step. Let's go. Number 1. Master the basics of personal finance. First main topic: budgeting. Think about the last time you went on a trip. If you didn't have any directions, you would probably waste hours wandering around. That's exactly what happens when people manage money without a budget. In 2024, Lending Club reported that 62% of Americans live paycheck to paycheck, including 44% earning 6 figures. So what you can do is use tools like YNAB, Mint, or simple spreadsheet. Apply 50-30-20 rule, which is 50% to needs, 30% to wants, and 20% to savings or investing. Then pay yourself first. Schedule automatic transfers right after the payday. Budgeting isn't about restriction, it's about control. So when you track your income and expenses, you stop wondering where your money goes and start making intentional decisions. The 50-30-20 rule helps you balance needs, wants, investing and savings, so you can enjoy life while building wealth. And pay yourself first makes savings automatic, turning your future into priority. And if you would like to know how I invest and evaluate companies with my own system, you can download my ebook, first link in the description, or scan this QR code. Let's go to the second main topic, which is emergency fund. Let me tell you about Sarah. At 24, she had her first real job and a tight budget. But every month, she set aside $50 into a high-yield savings account. Her friends teased her, saying, "Why be so cautious?" Then one day, her car's transmission suddenly failed, and she got $1,200 repair bill that she hadn't planned for. While many around her would have turned into credit cards and rack up debt, Sarah used her emergency fund to cover the entire cost, no interest, no stress. That $50 habit saved her hundreds in fees and kept her credit score intact. In fact, a 2024 Bankrate survey found that 57% of Americans can't cover a $1,000 emergency without borrowing. So what you can do is save 3 to 6 months of living expenses. Think of it as your financial safety net. Then use a high-yield savings account. Some offer up to 5% of interest. Then start small and stay consistent. Even $20 a week adds up. And the third main topic in this section is credit score, which is your financial reputation. Your credit score impacts more than just loans. It affects your ability to rent, get jobs, and even utilities. Paying bills on time and keeping credit utilization under 30% builds a strong score, saving you thousands in interest. Using credit responsibly turns it into a powerful tool, not a debt trap. So what you need to do is always pay bills on time. This is your 35% of your score. Then keep your credit utilization under 30%. So $300 spent on a $1,000 limit. Then avoid opening too many new accounts at once. In 2024, the average score in the US was 717, but people under 25 average only 679, costing them higher interest rates on cars, apartments, and homes. So our second section is increase your income. Focus on high income skills. Skills are your greatest asset. They determine your earning potential far more than the job title. Learning in-demand skills like coding, sales, or finance can triple your income without changing your lifestyle. These skills stay with you for life, opening doors to higher paying roles or freelancing. So in-demand skills right now are sales and negotiation, Top sales representative can hit $200,000 annually. Coding, AI automation, and data analysis, salaries are up 30% year over year. Then, digital marketing and copywriting. Many earn from $60,000 to $100,000 remotely. If you make $50,000 a year and save 20%, you can save $10,000 a year. But if you make $150,000 a year, with the same habits, you can save $30,000 a year, tripling the results without working 3 times more hours. Second point in this section is negotiate your salary. Most people don't negotiate, leaving thousands on the table over their careers. Research your worth, ask confidently, and back it up with results you delivered. ZipRecruiter found in 2024 that workers who negotiate earn $7,500 more per year on average. So what you can do is research the salaries. Use websites like Glassdoor, Payscale, then tie your requests to the results. Use your achievements that are important for the company, like revenue increased, cost saved, or time efficiencies. Then practice with your friend before speaking to your boss. The third topic in this section is side hustles. Relying on just one income is risky in today's economy. A side hustle adds extra cash flow and can eventually become your main source of income. Side hustles can start small, just a few hundred a month, but that extra cash compounds fast if you invest it. So what you can try is freelancing on Fiverr or Upwork. You can try selling on Etsy, Amazon or Shopify, or you can do freelance work like Uber, DoorDash or TaskRabbit. A 2024 Bank of America survey found that 39% of Gen Z already have a side hustle, earning an average of $483 a month. So you need to try to create multiple income streams. Millionaires average 7 streams of income. This isn't just about money, it's about security. If one dries up, then the others keep you afloat. Third section, save and invest aggressively. So the first topic is retirement accounts. Starting early with retirement accounts takes advantage of compounding, the most powerful force in wealth building. Even small monthly contributions can grow into millions over the decades. Employer matches are free money, so don't miss out on those. So what you can do is 401k with employer's match. It's free money that you should never skip. Then you can consider Roth IRA, because you can contribute up to $7,000 and watch your investments grow tax-free. So if you start investing $500 a month at 22 with 8% return, you will retire with $1.4 million. Wait until 32 and you would get $600,000. Second topic in this section is stock market basics. Investing beats saving because it fights inflation and grows your wealth. Index funds and ETFs offer broad exposure with low risk and steady returns around 10% annually. Consistency matters more than timing. Regular investing builds wealth even during market ups and downs. Use index funds or ETF and set up automatic contributions so you'll never miss a month. Vanguard's 2024 data shows investors who stayed in the market during downturns had portfolios 35% bigger after 10 years than those who pulled out. The third topic in this section is dollar cost average. Trying to time the market is a losing game. Dollar cost average means investing a fixed amount regularly, buying more shares when prices are low and fewer when they are high. This smooths out the risk and helps you build wealth steadily. Invest the same amount monthly, regardless of the market's mood. Then avoid trying to time the market. It's nearly impossible to get it right. Investing $200 a month for 20 years, even through crashes, beats waiting for the perfect moment. The fourth section is avoiding a bad debt and lifestyle inflation. As your income grows, keeping expenses steady multiplies your savings and investments. Many high earners still live paycheck to paycheck because they upgrade their lifestyle faster than their income. Living below your means now will give you financial freedom later. In 2024, 51% of people earning $100,000 still live paycheck to paycheck, so you need to keep your expenses steady as your income rises and funnel more money into investments. Second main topic in this section is debt trap. Credit card interest rates average over 24%, which is higher than the most investment returns. Carrying a balance means losing money every day. Pay off your balance monthly and use credit cards only to build credit, not fund your lifestyle choices. In 2025, average credit card APR is 24.5, meaning $5,000 balance, if it's unpaid, costs over $1,200 a year in interest. So pay off in full each month. Never buy on credit what you wouldn't buy in cash. The next main topic in this section that we'll focus on is good versus bad debt. Not all debt is bad. Good debt builds assets like a home or education that will increase your earning power. Avoid high-interest debts for cars, vacations, or consumer goods. Use debt as a tool to grow your wealth, not a burden that will drain it. So good debt is mortgages on appreciating property, low-interest student loans for valuable degrees, and bad debt is high-interest credit, payday loans, financing luxury purchases. The next section is build passive income streams. Start an online business. Digital products, online courses, and content creation can generate passive income with low upfront costs. So for example, templates and courses can sell 24/7. YouTube channels and blogs can generate ad revenue, affiliate sales, and sponsorships. You can watch my video about passive income streams, link in the description, and it will be at the end of this video as well. You can consider investing in dividend stocks. Some companies pay you every quarter just for holding their shares. Dividend ETFs like VOO spread risk while still paying income. For example, if you will put $20,000 in a 4% dividend ETF, it will generate $800 a year without you working for it. And the sixth section is think long-term and stay disciplined. There are few main rules that you need to follow. First one, be patient. Compounding takes years, not weeks. Second one, keep learning. Read books, take courses, watch podcasts. And the third one, avoid hype. Ignore get-rich-quick trends that disappear overnight. According to Ramsey Solutions, 70% of broke lottery winners went bankrupt within just 5 years. Your 20s are your foundation. If you master your money, grow your income, invest early, avoid bad debt, and build passive income streams, your 30s and 40s will be your payoff years. And if you enjoyed this video, watch this one next.